In this session, let us learn about machine learning standard deviation. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation is a number that describes how spread out the values are. A low standard deviation means that most of the numbers are close to the mean average value. The high standard deviation means that the values are spread out over a wider range. Example, this time we have registered the speed of 7 cars. See, the standard deviation is 0.9, meaning that the most values are within the range of 0.9 from the mean value, which is 86.4. Let us do the same with a selection of numbers with a wider range. Speed is equal to 32, 1111, 138, 28, 59, 57, 97. The standard deviation is 37.85, meaning the most of the values are within the range of 37.87 from the mean value, which is 77.4. As you can see, higher standard deviation indicates that the values are spread out over a wider range. The NumPy module has a method to calculate the standard deviation. See, use the NumPy std method to find the standard deviation. Say, by using std method, the result returns this 0.90 something. Use the NumPy std method to find the standard deviation. See the second example, by using this, the result is 37.8450 and so on. Variance. Variance is another number that indicates how spread out the values are. In fact, if you take the square root of the variance, you get the standard deviation, or the other way around, if you multiply the standard deviation by itself, you get the variance. To calculate the variance, you have to do as follows. See, find the mean. See, find each value, find the difference from the mean. See, this is the result. For each difference, find the square value. To find the square value, by using square root. The variance is the average number of the square differences. See, we should add and divide by 7. Luckily, NumPy has a method to calculate the variance. See, use the NumPy var method to find the variance. See, by using NumPy.var method, we will find the variance. See the result, we find the variance. Standard deviation. As we learned the formula to find the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. See, square root of 1432.25 is equal to 37.85. Or as the example from before, use the NumPy to calculate the standard deviation. See, use the NumPy std method to find the standard deviation. See, by using that, the result returns is 37.845 and so on. Symbols. Standard deviation is often represented by a symbol sigma. Variance is often represented by symbol sigma square. Chapter summary. The standard deviation and the variance are terms that are often used in machine learning. So, it is important to understand how to get them and the concept behind them. Okay friends, this is the end of part 3, machine learning standard deviation. In next video, let us learn about another topic, machine learning percentiles. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.